everybody and welcome. For those of you who know me, welcome back. For those of you who don't, I'm Pia, your host for all things luxury. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite purchases I did last week in Paris as a personal shopper. I think my absolute favorite from this whole haul will be this Dior Plumetti heels. These ones are absolutely stunning. They have some detailing that we're going to find on the piping of the shoe as well as on the heel of the shoe. The interior is all made of leather, which makes it a great all year round shoe. And then the body of the shoe has kind of this mesh that's semi-transparent. It's going to have a little bit of polka dots done with that same suede leather. In any case, they're absolutely stunning. I think a piece like this is timeless. Something worth noting is that even if they are quite high heeled, there is still a little bit of a thickening on the bottom of the heel, making it the slightest bit more comfortable. When wearing a heel like this, the slightest detail makes the largest difference. They're complete with the classic yellow gold star on the bottom that we can see from different angles when my client will be walking. That just adds a little bit of like extra sparkle. The reason for the star being such an important symbol within the house of Dior is because when the couturier was actually meeting with somebody for possibly financing his eponymous label, he stumbled upon a star on the floor and he saw that as a symbol of destiny, which he then embedded into the DNA of the brand. And hence why today we have the little stars right behind the shoe, as well as in many other of the goodies in the house. A piece like this will obviously look absolutely stunning with long, medium and short dresses, as well as skirts. With a pair of wool wide leg trousers for autumn winter, these ones can also look absolutely stunning. And then for the ultimate sort of like chill, laid back girl that's still very chic, a pair of wide leg denim with a white tee and maybe a leather jacket would look absolutely exquisite with a pair like this, making this shoe an elegant and timeless piece to add to my client's collection. Still on the shoes department, but this time from Lanvin. I sourced this iconic pair of suede and patent leather heels from the house. These ones belong to the 2009 collection, however, they're still new and unworn. It's a shoe that despite not showcasing any sort of logo, those who are on the know will know that it's a Lanvin shoe. The reason for that being is that the house is very good with creating volume, particularly on their dresses. Even on their logo, we will see a very voluminous dress on the matter of the mommy-daughter logo, and that is something that we can still appreciate with the curve that we see on this heel, which in my opinion pays an ode to that very iconic logo. There's the tip in patent and the rest of the shoe will be in black suede. However, the interior is in normal leather. The mirrored interior on the heel makes it something that's a little bit dressier for a nighttime outfit, but that paired with the right pair of trousers can definitely be worn on daytime for a little bit of a cool girl city vibe look. Once again, if we want to play math with these heels, she does have a little bit of a front forward platform to subtract from the entire overall height on the heel, making the actual feel of the height of the heel become kind of like from here upwards, I would say. A stunning pair that should last her for quite a couple of years. I am absolutely obsessed with this one. From Fendi, a goodie that is very appropriate for this time of the year. This is going to be a pair of tights. They're on this gorgeous caramel with a little slight hint of rosy or red undertones to it, and they showcase the logo all around it. It's going to have that lovely Fendi logo, and once they're stretched, they're going to look super lovely on top of the skin. To be really honest with you, I'm not one to normally advise for the logomania. However, I still feel like this particular one is on the quieter end because the pattern of this logo just looks like a pattern and not really a logo pattern, if that makes sense. Also from Fendi, I sourced this style of bowling slash speedy slash day or weekender bag. This piece is entirely made out of lambskin leather, which makes it super soft to the touch, and it's particularly different from other things that Fendi does on a normal basis in the sense that it's going to have the Fendi logo completely embossed to the bag instead of printed on the bag. So on this occasion, we have a piece that's a little bit more unique, a little bit more luxurious in the terms of the treatment of the materials. It's paired with yellow gold hardware. It's going to have a matching lambskin leather strap in order to wear it as a shoulder option as well, particularly because it is a bag that will carry quite a bit. And if you are a light packer, you can definitely wear a piece like this as a little weekender option or an extra one for a little weekend getaway. In any case, it's a bag that holds a ton. It is completely lined in the interior. It's got a back zippered compartment as well. And it's going to be something that can definitely carry quite a bit, and hence it's nice to have the option for that extra strap. Now, this one right here is going to be another one of my favorite purchases I did this week. Besides the fact that I love the color on this t-shirt, and I think having a basic t-shirt on our wardrobes, it's a complete staple. I particularly loved this one and introduced it to a client because of the little detail. So once we open the sides, it reveals a whole pleating detail, which gives a lot more movement to the piece. And when opened on both sides, it completely transforms this basic and takes it from a basic to a little sort of statement in her wardrobe. So I think it's a piece that can be worn on different occasions, depending on the type of look she's trying to achieve. But if she wants to stay in with a quiet, really nice quality cotton basic tee with the little pocket on the left, she will have that. And then for days when she's feeling a little bit sassier and just wants a little bit of that extra pick-me-up, she's gonna have the detail of the pleats in there to play with. And then all that's left doing with this gorgeous Sacai t-shirt will be playing around with it. She can maybe just show a tiny bit of the pleats on both ends, play with the symmetry, play with the asymmetry. There's a lot of stuff to be done with a piece like this, but mainly I think it's one of those forever or just really, really long time living pieces. Now, from a special runway edit from Saint Laurent, I sourced a piece that is truly unique. And when I say unique, I mean there's literally just one of these in the world. The piece in question. This piece was a runway piece that was actually created at the atelier of Saint Laurent here in Paris, initially as a cape, and then it was decided that it would become a miniskirt. It's divided into 3 tiers, and when we have a closer look at it, we're going to see that there are sequins that are actually rectangular, and instead of having thread pass through them, they have the most exquisite, dainty golden chain to match them. This piece is a real work of art, and I am so excited to have found it for my client. And those were all of my favorite purchases this week as a personal shopper in Paris. Let me know which one was your favorite on the comments down below, and if you're not done watching, I'll leave you 2 more videos in here so you can binge a little bit more. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!